Okay, we made it to Fairfax, Oklahoma, and this is our last stop for the day. One thing I was going to show here in Fairfax is this old movie theater, the Tall Chief. I was here several years ago, and it was actually a little bit more open than what it is now. They've got it all boarded up. But actually, at one time, they still had the box office was right there. This building here is all boarded up. A lot of cool old buildings here in Fairfax. It's not exactly a ghost town or abandoned by any means, but it's still very old. We're just going to take you around here a little bit before we head on. We've had quite a day today. Three old bridges, and I don't know so much about, lost track. An authentic ghost town, Skidee. We've had quite a day today. We're just going to kind of walk down Fairfax here a little bit. We'll try to catch the majority of it. Any rate. Okay, that's cool. Looks like that might be a cougar. That's rather unique mural right there. I'm not sure what this is. It says Thunderbird. Somebody's honking at me. I'm going down their main street here in Fairfax. That's cool. Okay. Here's the other side. I'm going to get it while I'm over here. And of course that building over there looks like it's pretty well gone. There are a lot of old abandoned and destroyed buildings here in Fairfax. But, I mean, it's not exactly a ghost town. But it's pretty close to it. Closet of Hope. It must be a thrift store at one time. It may not be anymore. Bumper to bumper, but it don't look like it's in business anymore. And it looks like we got a Mexican restaurant over here. If they're still in business, they may not be in business anymore. You just can't tell anymore. Well, the front door is all broken. It's probably not. It's like there's no gas station across the street. I'm gonna try to get over there here in a little bit, if I can. I'll tell you what, it may be a little, but it's busy. Yeah, I imagine this was a gas station at one time. It's just kind of hard to tell. Well, let's go over here on this side. That store is obviously out of business. It says Big R brand store. Okay. And of course, that's where I just was a minute ago. Of course, it is a Monday afternoon. That's one thing I've noticed. When you get retired, every day is a Saturday, it seems like. There's this building we saw from across the street, and it is completely gutted. Nothing in there no more. Ice machine. And here's this little area. And I have no idea what this might have been at one time. And of course, just came from that side over there, Fairfax Flowers. Now that building right there, very old. It's got something on that very top piece. I cannot make it out. Don't know. Stuff back in there. Bunch of snowmen. Flower shop and more, Prairie Rose. Okay. I was going to show you this over here too. This this little town square. I guess that's what you call this. Looks like a cowboy there roping a steer. This has been here for a while. I remember this. We were here a few years ago. This little gazebo here. Well, they made these old buildings so ornate back in the day. Okay, here you go. That chair says, "Home of the free, because of the brave." Very true. Very true statement. Dedicated to those who have served. I apologize. In memory of and tribute to all veterans. Of the eagle up there. Boy, these are just names of probably the local people around here that have served. I don't know if because it's winter or what. I've been fighting this sun all day long. But that's our little town square. And that must be a beauty salon of some sort. Okay, well. And this big building here on the corner used to be a bank. But I do not say a year, but that was a bank at one time.